name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have August and September's confetti collection. Okay, you guys, I am so excited about this. This is a bi-monthly box. So this is August and September's confetti collection. This box is $19.99 a month, or $19.99 per box. There's a $50 value in here, and there's 8+ coordinated giftables, stationery items, giftable gift items in here. You can either keep this for yourself, which is what I want to do, or you can pass the items along in here as individual gifts or a group gift. These would make a great hostess gift. These are really fantastic. Let's open this and see what's inside. This will come every other month. So this box will be for 2 full months. This is August and September. Oh, look. I absolutely love that. If you don't use these little squigglies that come in the box, I'm gonna double check with my son, but I believe you can put these in your composter. We have in the past, I'm not sure if this particular one, but I do use a lot of these because I ship things out a lot. So I just wanted to give you that little bit of information. Look how pretty this comes packed. Isn't it pretty? It comes ready to go. You can give it as a gift right out of the box. You can give the whole box as a gift. It would be an awesome thing to give somebody, say, who's moved into a dorm, into an apartment, it's back to school time. Surely you know somebody who would love to have this, including yourself. All right, let's get into this. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what's in here. You can also reuse this tissue paper. Look. Here's the little note on the front of the package. Surprise, plan a party. If you love confetti collection, then we know you love a good party, but why not make planning a party just as fun as the party itself? Well, we're here to tell you that you can have it all with our Plan a Party box. So call your gal pals and let's get this party started. Post your pics using hashtag confetti collection box. Thank you. So this is surprise, plan a party in a box. Okay, look at the first items coming out. Oh, those are so pretty. Aren't they pretty? Oh, I love the colors. Oh yes, these will be perfect on my deck, on my patio, excuse me, out back. When we gather around to have a barbecue or something outside, or we're just swimming at the pool and we need some little snacks. But also, if you're giving this to your first time dorm users, you know, those moving into a dorm, these are great, so pretty. You don't have to just have plain white, you can also have fancy. And these are by Lennox, so these are really nice. These will be nice 3-ply lunch napkins, GR Gibson Lennox, 16 coated luncheon plate, dessert plates, 7.75 inches. These are great. So, love that. All right, the next item in here is this is adorable. Look, it has a little flamingo hanging off of it. Look at it. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Let's Flamingo charm pen. That's adorable. That is by Paper Goods, X&O Paper Goods. That's so cute. Yep, I love little pens like this. And the next item, something similar to this was in the last box, and I love it. Make today count. You open it up, and inside is today's date and a to-do list. Look how many are in here. Does it come out? Oh my goodness, this will last you. Look how many are in there. That's probably a year's worth of to-do list. I love this. I absolutely love this. I don't know many people who wouldn't love this. People love to make notes, love to make a to-do list, and this one is a great size, and it's pretty to sit on your counter or sit on your desk or by your phone or whatever it is, wherever it is you like to keep your notes. This is a nice one. Oh, that's really nice. Whoever gets this as a gift is a really lucky person. Yeah, I like that. All right, and as always, to help complete your gift are some squigglies. You know, it's adhesive and it sticks onto your package. I love those. And then more curling ribbon if you want to wrap around it and make it even a little more detailed. It matches, look, it matches. Oh, that is so cute. You can use the tissue paper here and wrap this and use that ribbon to go along with it. Oh, another one. This one has a magnet on the back. That is perfect. Stick it on the fridge, leave a note for your kids. This is your to-do list today, and then they can come along and check it off. Won't they appreciate that? Anyway, I love it. I would appreciate it. All right. Oh, a little greeting card, X&O paper goods, wishing you the simple pleasures in life, message inside. May your life be filled with one good hair day after another. Look at them with their tassel hair. And the inside says, wishing you the simple pleasures in life. So you even get the card to go with the gift. They thought of everything. This is fantastic. Oh, come on now. You know we're gonna love this. Office supplies, stationery. Yes, please. These are file folders. Let's look at them. Hang on. Oh, they even have the little sticker tabs. That's awesome. Let's look at these very quickly. Think happy thoughts. I love that, especially when you're filing. Usually you're filing your bills and things like that. Think happy thoughts. Think happy thoughts. Think happy thoughts. And then this one, amazing things will happen. There's 3 of those, 3 of the other ones, and then 3 of the pinstripes or the stripes. That's amazing. That is 9 file folders. You could certainly do something really cute with this. Again, back to the dorm room. When they're organizing their papers from the year, having to keep up with, maybe they've registered, they're in band, or they're in an extracurricular activity in college in particular. Mine had release forms and instrument rental forms and equipment rental forms to keep track of. This would be perfect for that. Oh my goodness, you guys, this really is an ideal box to give a students going off to college for the first time. It's compact, it's cute, it's colorful, it's loving, thoughtful. This is really good. And then the 2 to-do lists, they're gonna need to-do lists, big time, Or somebody moving into an apartment for the first time, or just your friend who likes to take notes, who works at the office with you. She would appreciate these as well. I absolutely love this. I really, really love this. So, and then when you're having a little get together or your family's coming over and you just don't really want to do all those millions of dishes, you know, this is a great option. I absolutely love this box. Okay, so I'm gonna leave everything in the description box for you, link it for you. You can go straight to Confetti Collection and pick up your subscription. You can take a year's subscription, or you can do one for every other month, pay-as-you-go type of subscription. It's $19.99 per box for every other month. And this is the US Subscription Box Award winner for 2019. So that tells you something. Everybody loves this box. There is not a single person I could imagine that wouldn't enjoy receiving this box. So great for yourself, great as a gift, filled with some really cute items and useful items, things you can actually use. So there you go. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, everything's linked in the description box. I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't already. And if you will, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.